and classic promo present the GH Unite live virtual concert, baby. Yes, and this one here features Stoneboy performing alongside Samini Mini. They are sure who is who. And I feel Kwame Eugene performing alongside Kofi Kinata, Joe Abed De Bruta. Yes, a double event on the night. So who wins the night with the best performances? Yeah, Momo fans no Mona Mobe Jaju at the GH Unite virtual concert on the 1st of November 2020, streaming live 8 p.m. sharp on www.ghunite.com. If I told it me out all tickets only from www.ghunite.com. Not just one who dare call any dear bar. It is only 20 Ghana cedis. Please note, sir, you can only watch all the shows on www.ghunite.com. Not just one who dare call any dear bar. For more inquiries, make sure so be contacting the following numbers. So I'll be to me and send the WhatsApp via 055 550 3246. Now 055 550 3789. GH Unite virtual concert. Yo Adom Pro. Tell you to say and cost one more cause yes, you know. Also, I know maybe I'll enjoy a free morning calls from 5 a.m. to 6 a.m. Yeah, and once over months I can a new Airtel to go sim. Now one make key transaction with Airtel to go money with them. I feel sorry I know maybe Obeka free. Now I say I'm free Airtel to go money transfers for 6 whole months. Now if you already registered on Airtel to go money, very very simple. Yes, oh yeah, and say dial star 110 hash. Now I select option 2. Then you select free morning offer. Say I'll be to me and subscribe for only 2 CDs. Now sorry I know maybe I'll sweat me and share call concerns for free. So go on and buy an Airtel to go sim today. Airtel to go money. Life is simple. Yeah, that's Villa time. And my girl, Sister Sonny be a cry. It's your baby. Okay. All right, Sister Sonny be a guy.
Hey, Jay, you know how we do it on Thursdays? I'm coming straight out of Compton, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, you know how we do it on Thursdays, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
I ain't playing over here. I ain't got no chill, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. I ain't got no chill. The fact that I'm not going does not mean I cannot do my balling stuff right down here. Straight out of Kokum Limley, I'm telling you what time it is.
I feel you, yeah.
So Thursday, you know how we do it.
All right, so I need to activate the phone lines, yeah? All right, so guys, give us that call now, 0302216561, 0302216562.
You looking dapper.
Thank you, baby.
You looking dapper.
Thanks. If
I said you looking dapper.
Thank you, dear. Yeah. So
that's
if there's any,
you gotta laugh like a foreigner. On Thursday, everything is different.
All right, got you. So we have our first caller already on the line. Right? Yeah. Hello.
Hi. Hello.
Yeah. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, Mr. Jerry.
Yes, boss. What's the name?
What you calling?
My name is Great Riafe.
Okay, Great Riafe. We're listening to you.
Yo, I hear say Kwame Opadi yesterday insulted people of Ashama. I hear say when he gets Ashama is going to beat him. Is it true or false?
This one is past tense. We apologize on his behalf. Yes. So it's dead and gone. So let's leave it.
You know what?
He does something.
You know what? Yesterday I was in a Sherman and people were saying when Kwame Opadi comes he'll be beating.
No.
What did he say?
We dealt with that issue.
What happened? Why am I
dead
lost?
And gone.
How come I'm lost? I can't be lost in my own country.
It's a dead issue. I don't want to revisit it.
What happened? What
anyway,
did Obadi do?
There was like Ashama is not nice and.
Whoa, they're gonna beat him up.
He said,
Ashama, I sacrifice Obadi to you.
People were like, yeah, they're gonna beat him up.
They gotta beat him
up. So we apologize on his behalf.
Nah, don't apologize. They gotta beat my brother small. Yo, Ashama,
right, so let's begin our next caller.
You gotta beat him small. You know what I'm saying?
Hello.
Let's take it to the street. Let's take it to the street.
Hello, Roger.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening. My name is Richard.
Richard, we are listening to you.
Oh, what is Yakubu?
Yakubu, he's not an angel.
Pascal, he's got wings now. He's flying in the sky.
He got wings. He's flying.
He's flying in the sky.
So don't worry about him. He's flying.
Okay.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool.
Thank you.
You got wings now. Yeah.
He got wings. He's in the clouds now.
And he's flying.
He's a ball for. He's a ball for.
Next caller, are you there?
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Good evening.
Hello.
Yeah. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah. What's the name?
What you call it?
My name is James. Calling from Princess.
Okay, James, we're listening to you.
What you have for us?
I'm fine.
All right. What you have for us, please?
Oh, I have for you. I want to ask you people that what is Situa, Hima Situa.
That one too is
She got wings too. She got wings too. Yeah.
She's in the clouds. She's flying. She's above four. She's above four.
She's flying.
We ain't got wings here. We here.
Nah,
yeah, you're tough. Yeah, tough. We don't need wings. Yeah, tough.
Hello.
Hi. Good evening.
Hello.
Hi.
Sunny.
Hey.
We are guys.
Yeah, also we guy.
Your latte.
That's your mommy from Latte.
Oh, my latte mommy. Into you, Katie.
Yeah.
Hey, Bali.
Okay, what you will let me work, huh?
And the Becca, or the Bella Sprout, and Yami Slawaka.
Oh, amen. Mecca.
Congratulations, I want Waka.
Oh, make work with to you.
Okay, I'm going to talk about the Waka.
Oh, make work with to you.
Something you know,
Make work with to you.
I want Slawaka.
And quadrule.
Plenty like that.
Make work with to you means please, thank you. Make work with to is please. Make work with to means please. Make work with to means please.
Anyway, so let's pick our last caller. Hello.
I ain't got time.
Make to you that. Hello.
Make work with to. What is
Bicolti? Hello.
Hi.
Good evening, Sandy.
Hi, good evening. I'm here.
Oh, I miss you.
I miss you too, love. How you doing?
Oh, I'm cool, man.
All right. Where are you calling from? What do you have for us?
Oh, I'm calling from Madina Record Flat.
Okay. What's up?
Oh, cool. Sister Sandy, I want you to come Dr. Pan's show on Hit FM this evening. We miss you.
Okay. Oh, you know I normally go to Hit FM to twerk more and all that. That's what they're saying. You miss my twerking, right?
Over there, yeah?
Yes.
Oh, you know, here I don't twerk for them, so they don't like it. I'm gonna do that, right?
Okay.
I like to swear my ass is so flat, but I don't know why they enjoy me twerking. Okay, bro, I'm gonna go straight to Adom TV and handle Bisanyom like it's nobody's business. You know what I'm saying?
I got you.
So I'm gonna leave you right here in Ghana.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna take my flight straight to Bisanyom.
All right.
One love, broski.
Right.
One love. I'm out of here.
All right. Take care, baby. Take care. Oh, goodness. All right, so Yamfa Asidano Emma, proud sponsors. They were 539 direct. Joe Imuye Bruta. Imuye Papa. Yeah.
It's one day cold.
So from 1 to 39 numbers. Obey me, actually, no bet on just one number. I know you're sure bank. I know what me we need 20 times your stake. And then you can bet on two numbers. I know you're too sure. Yeah. And also be multiply was taken by 40 times. And then you can bet on 3. I know you're a friend of the magic 3. Then also one multiplying by by 400 times. And then
I'm not sick.
to now call anymore.
Can't wait then they
multiply with just 2 cities, Joe. Scout bet me millions of cities bet me out there. The foundation be now a dial star 446 hash across all networks. And yes, I'll bet me I call www.dewa-nla.com. Now also with me a audience now when you try and dia Joe ubedi every day be I draw 7 p.m. sharp. No one who dare call any dear back. It's your business. You're calling direct what I say. And I said they were powered by NLA. As they do also come Vodafone.
on a channel.
You can catch you that I say no. Say Vodafone to Vodafone cash to Vodafone cash no a free and Josh. And now you see Vodafone cash this send this card the more being so any other network be so and also a free and Josh. It's the now switch it to Vodafone. Now what me use Vodafone cash na bibia akoye at the amount.
So right.
You know what I'm saying?
Two is
it's more than
artist
now also itchatumo. The future is exciting.
On the night step.
Ready?
Some school they be.
Yeah.
What bando? Fella. ASEM with the.
All right, so Enchebia na here sorry so. Na the no see akase bo ato aso the amount. Here on 106.3 Adom FM. You know what I'm saying? Benwan kwa yamam.
Jerusalem,
Happy birthday.